I'll put it down here.
It's not very light though.
Oh, it will make it.
Are you gonna turn it on when the fireworks start?
Can you believe that shit?
Yeah.
That's so lame. That's so ass though.
That's so.
That's so ass because we are so lame. Well, not lame. Just we never think about that.
Yeah.
Like the tickets. Like maybe like. What is it?
There was one firework.
These Canadians making a saturation. What time is it?
59.
Shit. 56?
3, 1. There.
Go. I'm out of battery. Can you believe it? For New Year?
Oh.
Look, look, look. Down. It's out. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Where are the fireworks?
I don't know.
Well, it's still a good video.
Yeah.
I wonder if I can. I think I can send it to you.
Yeah, sure.
And you could put it on YouTube.
Even more, you can upload it there with my YouTube account.
Well, when I'm on. Yeah, when I'm on at home.
Yeah.
And then the first New Year thing. Wow.
3, 2, 1. Bang. The battery dies.
On my iPod?
No, in mine.
Oh,
In
yeah.
the camera, like 3, 2, 1.
What are the odds? Where are the fireworks?
I don't know. Maybe there are no fireworks. We're all like dumbasses here.
They're late.
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 You want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Doesn't look that bad.
No.
Actually, it looks closer than my camera.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't think the zoom's gonna go farther. Oh, there you go.
There you go. It's better there.
Yeah.
This is gonna catch better thing. Sorry. Yeah. I think there is no fireworks. That's what people are saying. That's right. No fireworks.
What is this?
What is this? I bet there is no fireworks.
I bet there is.
I bet there isn't. Look, the people are sleeping. Why are they gonna hold fireworks?
Because they lost.
How long you can film?
I think long, I guess.
Long, I guess. I don't think we'll film fireworks, but I'm gonna stay till the last person.
Just in
stands.
case. Yeah.
Because that's what I do. Tell me we rushed like noobs for nothing.
Yeah, god
And
damn it.
That'd be weird.
Me.
I don't know. Well, yeah, sure.
With us, want it? Go.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Happy New Year!
I
I don't know where the fireworks
Where are you
are.
guys from?
Well, I'm from here, but he's from Argentina.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Yeah.
well,
You don't want any?
No, thank you.
Oh my god.
I don't know where the fireworks are.
Me neither.
I don't
We
know
neither.
what's going on. I'm gonna wait for a couple minutes, but I'm pretty sure they just kind of stuff.
We came out like we rushed like a lot to come here.
I know, me too. We got a cab. 5 minutes.
You guys from here?
Yeah, I go to school here.
Huh? That's kind of weird. I wanted the fireworks.
Where are they? We should go like ask them at the top or something. Where are the fires, goddammit?
I don't care. I'm gonna post it anyways. So. What?
And they taste like wine.
Like one?
Wine.
Wine. Well, it's champagne. It's not wine. You don't want some? Why?
It's weird to share.
It's weird to share? Why? Why do I share then?
Because you're weird.
Because I'm weird?
Yeah.
Why do people share? Are we gonna die?
Yeah.
I thought so. So, why don't you share?
So I kiss you, right? If I'd be so germ-phobic, I wouldn't kiss you.
Well, yeah, but you
But
don't share
I don't
the
like the taste of it.
But that wasn't the first thing you said. What? I'm not laughing. It's a serious topic. Why are you so freaked?
I don't know.
It's good. It's gonna be in the video. Or a little dog.
Hey.
That's right. That's so weird.
Sorry, can I ask a question? Do you have any special program for tonight? Just this?
No, I agree.
And we don't know where the fireworks are. They're supposed to be
I don't know.
We're all like,
It's supposed to be at
Because every year there's fireworks.
yeah, I bet.
Thank you. Do you have any other places this night?
the only places I know of are like
Where you guys, all you guys want to go to?
Just visit this night for it.
Besides bars, I don't even know what you do.
I love you, baby.
Walk down this street. Down towards the bar.
I'm like feeling like here because you started kissing me. I'm like, funny.
Well,
That's so funny.
No, you're not in hotel. We're only here, but you're
7 minutes. I'm gonna cut it like in 8 minutes because YouTube is gonna take a freaking year. If
well,
not,
maybe it's not high quality.
well,
We'll
I'm
see.
sure it's not really easy. This one?